Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
shǎo,
a tiny powerhouse for talking about scarcity, youth, and even asking questions. Ready to master it? Let's go. Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
少
Has 4 stroke. Next, do you know that?
少
Has 2 meanings.
少
Can mean few, less or young. For example,
多少
how much?
少年
Teenager. Now that you know how to write,
少
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Section 2. Common words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
少数
Minority.
至少
At least.
少女
Young girl. Section 3. Example sentences. Example sentences.
请少放糖
Please add less sugar.
这个多少钱
How much is this?
她是少女
She is a young girl. Section 4. Fun fact. Do you know the ancient oracle bone script 4?
少
Started as tiny grains in ancient writing, genius right? Over time it's simplified but kept its core meaning. Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What's 不少 mean? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.